Hello everyone and welcome on this new weekly market analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So it was surely, guys, a very profitable week for everyone here in Xtreme Trader family. Regardless if you are a paid member or a free member in the free group, you surely have made profits with Xtreme Trader. As you can see, this was my signal to buy the EURUSD from 1.029. Of course, this signal has been sent last week. And as you can see, it went straight to the take profit level, making, I think, around 120 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal. By the way, guys, not only YouTube signals, but even the Telegram signals, which we are sending in our VIP signals on Telegram. As you can see right here, almost 100% in profit the first day. Then the second day, sadly, we had 2 losses here in a row. But later on, we have been able to recover the losses and made tons of profit. Remarkably, 11th of February, we didn't send any signal at all because we simply couldn't find any good setup. And I believe this is the good thing in Xtreme Trader. Now we decided to focus on the quality over quantity. Before we are focusing on sending like 7 signals per day, but then we realized that this is not really working well and we have to focus on the quality of the signals. That's why we are waiting the whole day just for one setup to be completed, then we will send it right after to you. And that has indeed paid off. Monday and Wednesday, I think Monday and Thursday and Friday has been 100% in profit. Of course, my friends, if you wish guys to join the VIP group of Telegram, you can of course contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video. And here is actually our free group of Telegram. It's very important to join this channel to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here in this video. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals. And you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So make sure, guys, to join the channel as soon as possible to stay connected to Xtreme Trader and to receive any updates or notifications about these signals that you are receiving right here. So without further ado, let's now begin analyzing the EURUSD for the upcoming week. And of course, before that, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So now, based on the weekly chart, now we can see clearly that the EURUSD has actually last week made here a bearish breakout from the long-term support at 1.035. However, the market actually couldn't hold the position. Over the last month, the EURUSD has actually been ranging on this level of a support, but recently we have here, of course, a strong bullish engulfing candle, and seems like we, of course, have actually closed above this level of a support at 1.035. So most of that says that the EURUSD is going to be bullish. Again, we have here, of course, the last 2 weeks, we have here the inverted hammer price action. And I told you guys many times, I really trust this price action. After the appearance of this candle right here, it's actually a good sign that the market right now is way oversold and now getting ready for the bullish reversal. This candle right here is a good confirmation for that. Actually, if we even move to the daily chart, we can notice here clearly a double bottom pattern. So now most likely the EURUSD is getting ready for the rise. Not only that, but even right here we can see, of course, a resistance trend line that has just been broken out from. Interesting. As you guys know, once we have, of course, a resistance trend line being broken out from with this bullish breakout candle, the market usually tends to continue the rise till it reaches the strongest key level of a resistance level, and afterward it will start the pullback to retest the resistance trend line to create a new supported trend line. And that's exactly what's happening right here. So the EURUSD has just made here the bullish breakout from this level of a resistance trend line with this bullish breakout candle. So now most likely it will continue climbing its way toward the resistance right here exactly at 1.058. So until then, we will continue buying the EURUSD till it reaches this level of a resistance. So meaning 1.058 is going to be our take profit level, and the EURUSD is just like 93 pips far away from this level. So now the question is, where exactly we can start buying the EURUSD? The answer, in my opinion, lies in this level of a support right here exactly at 1.045. As you can see, my friends, we had here, based on daily chart, a strong key level of a support, which was of course the previous level of a resistance. Now, due to this level of a bullish breakout candle from the resistance trend line, the EURUSD most likely will continue climbing its way toward this level of a resistance right here exactly. Most likely it will actually retest the level of a support right here, and afterward it will continue the rise. So that being said, let's now move to the 4-hour time frame just to check the price action. Indeed, check this out. Right here exactly on the 4-hour time frame, we have here already a support number 1. So that tells us that the EURUSD actually has a chance to retest the same level and creates a support number 2, and afterward it will continue the rise toward the desired resistance. That being said, I would recommend to buy the EURUSD exactly at this level, and the safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support as well, right here exactly at 1.038. And that means our safe zone, oops, wait a minute, that's actually way a lot. Our safe zone, my friends, will be ranging for around exactly 55 pips against 127 pips of profit. That's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, Pound USD, guys, also was a winning signal. As you can see, it has almost reversed from our entry. And by the way, guys, this signal has been activated, even though it didn't touch our area here. And actually, as you can see, it has actually reversed from 1.232. Look at that, 232, almost 232, almost there. That's why I actually write here only 3 decimal numbers, because we don't have to be very specific about our entries. If I write 4 numbers, most likely the signal won't be activated. But as long as 3 numbers, we're actually okay. So therefore, this signal can be considered as activated and went in around 200 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal. Let's now see what we can do next with the Pound USD. I believe Pound USD and EURUSD are just like copying each other right now. I mean, it's just like repeating the same analysis exactly. Based on daily chart, we have here also another broken level of the resistance trend line, and as a result, the Pound USD most likely is going to continue the rise till it reaches the strong key level of a resistance at 1.277. And that means that we can actually consider buying the Pound USD. Also here we have inverted head and shoulders pattern, which indeed has been completed. So again, everything says that we can actually buy the Pound USD. And that being said, based on daily chart, I would like to wait for the pair to fall all the way back to this level of a key support right here exactly as 1.250. We have to wait for the pair to fall back right here, and afterward we can place our buy order exactly right here once the market retests the same level of a key support, which most likely is going to be respected. And after that, we can actually continue buying till the market reach the nearest level of a real support right here at 1.266, because 1.277 is going to be actually way a lot of pips. We're talking about 270 pips. Therefore, let's be more realistic and set our take profit level to be at 158 pips of profit at 1.266. And therefore, the safe zone in this case, let me just now go to the 4-hour time frame to decide my safe zone. Wait a minute, this is not right. It's way too far from, or no, I think there is a delay or something. Wait a minute, guys, let me just check something. 1 second. Yeah, sorry, it was just my eyes being tricked by the price. However, yes, it is correct, guys. We have to wait for the pair to fall down to 1.250. I know it might take a while, but hopefully it's gonna worth it. In this case, of course, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support and the resistance as well at 1.245. We will actually be targeting the resistance at 1.266. Therefore, let me just now fix it right here exactly right in front of you. And that being said, we can actually buy the Pound USD at 1.250, and the take profit level will be at the resistance right here at 1.266. I know, guys, this signal might take a while to be triggered, but hopefully it's gonna worth it. So that's gonna be everything for the Pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Now, AUDUSD has also been a winner signal from the last weekly analysis signal. As you can see, it also has been activated at 0.623 and went straight to the take profit level, making over 90 pips of profit. Again, Good job, guys, for everyone who have taken this signal. However, what's next with the AUDUSD? Again, I feel like we really have to repeat ourselves right here that the AUDUSD also has made here, of course, a bullish breakout from the resistance trend line, which indicates a continuation in the bullish momentum. Now, of course, in this case, as we can see, which is really different right now, here is, of course, the AUDUSD, and as we can see, the nearest level of a key support lies exactly right here. And that is, of course, guys, based on daily chart so far at 0.631. This was the real level of a support, as we can see right here. And now we can actually expect from the AUDUSD to respect the same level of a support, and afterward it will continue the rise. But someone might ask me, but Stella, that level of a support is really too big. I mean, that's going to be a lot of pips, like around, okay, not a lot of pips, but I mean, it's going to be 45 pips. How can you be sure that this is going to be the reversal point of the pair? I'm glad you asked. Let me just now show you something here. First of all, based on daily chart, also we have here a broken level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So we have here, in other words, a triangle, as we can see like that indeed has been just broken out from. So AUDUSD was actually ranging in this triangle, and then finally has just made here the bullish breakout from this level. And that tells us that this level of a resistance trend line most likely will be actually retested again, and it actually complies with that level of a support, which I already have highlighted at 0.631. Not only that, but if we also confirm with the Fibonacci retracement, which is like this exactly, check this out, the same level actually indicates at Fibonacci 50, which confirms that this might actually be our best entry to buy the AUDUSD, targeting, of course, the nearest level of a key resistance, which lies exactly right here as 0.651, and that tells us that our take profit level will be just right here, targeting around 200 pips of profit. That actually might be way so over expectations. Let me just make it right here at the nearest level of a resistance. So therefore, we can actually expect around 135 pips of profit, and the safe zone in this case, that shouldn't be ranging lower than Fibonacci 38.2, ranging for around 52 pips only of a safe zone. And that's all, my friends, for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Another winner signal. I mean, that last week really, guys, was very profitable, and I'm really hoping, guys, that you have taken all of these signals and made good profits with the Xtreme trader. As you can see, the USDCAD has also been activated and went straight to the take profit level, making over 116 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for everyone who have taken it, and I'm really glad and blessed to have these results right here with Xtreme trader. Now, what's next with this pair? Based on the weekly chart, again, guys, we can notice here a very strong bearish momentum happening right here. For the second week in a row, the USDCAD is actually losing a lot of its gains, and so far dropping for around 624 pips. Now, the pair has actually failed to respect this level of a support right here at 1.426, and that tells us that the nearest level where we can actually expect the next bullish reversal might actually be right here at this level of a previous resistance at 1.409, which means, based on the weekly chart, USDCAD still has around 77 pips, and in my opinion, it will actually continue the fall till it reach the previous level of a resistance at 1.394. But for the sake of our take profit level, we will just select this level of a previous resistance as our take profit level, because obviously we are looking to short the USDCAD. Now, moving to daily chart. Based on the daily chart, guys, we can notice clearly that the USDCAD also here made a strong bearish breakout from the level of a support and a resistance right here exactly at, oops, 1 second, at 1.425. Let me just now zoom in to show it to you. Right here exactly, we can notice here, of course, the bearish breakout from the support, and here a resistance as well. So USDCAD actually has failed to retest the broken level of a resistance, or actually to respect this level of a resistance to create a support. And that tells us that if we look right now at the left side, right here exactly, here we can notice exactly the nearest level of a broken support at 1.423, 1.420. Here we have, of course, a real level of a support, and here is the nearest. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. Here we have, of course, just like this, right here, exactly, precisely right here. This is the nearest tail to this bearish breakout candle. According to my strategy, which I'm actually using for my day trading scalping entries, this is going to be the best level to start shorting exactly. So we know that we have here, of course, a previous level of a support, and we are actually waiting for the USDCAD to become here a new resistance, and then we are looking to short us somewhere right here. Then the pair will continue the fall. But where exactly and precisely and the sniper entry is going to be? Most likely, I would say like 85% of the times, it will be right here exactly at the bottom of the nearest tail to the bearish breakout candle. There exactly, sharply, you can start shorting the pair. Therefore, we will sell exactly, and this time I will give myself an exception. I'll write the number with 4 decimals, 1.4210 exactly, to be this time super precise. And there, in this case, of course, we will target the nearest level of a support at 1.410, aiming around 110 pips of profit, I would say, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the half of that. Therefore, our safe zone will be ranging till the peak of the bottom of the nearest support at 1.426, ranging for around 55 pips against 110 pips of profit. And that's going to be everything for the USDCAD. Let's now, my friends, move to the USDJPY. Sadly, this signal has failed. As you can see right here, the market has actually been ranging at the entry, but eventually USDJPY has been instantly broken out from. So sadly, USDJPY was the only signal that has failed, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, these things happen, guys. Of course, we cannot win them all. Let's now see what we can do next with this pair. In my opinion, I will just make it shorter. I believe that actually based on the weekly and daily and even 4-hour time frame, everything says that the USDJPY most likely is going to be bearish. Now, based on the 1-hour time frame, I would really like to sell exactly right here for 2 reasons. Number one, we have here, of course, the nearest level of a resistance, which is, of course, the nearest one to this bearish breakout candle. So if the USDJPY will continue the rise, most likely this level of a resistance will be respected, and afterward it will continue the fall, respecting, of course, the previous level here of a resistance trend line as well. Now, for the second reason is, of course, what we have just talked about with the USDCAD. Look at that, guys. This is the nearest bottom of the tail, which is the nearest one to this bearish breakout candle. Again, another sign that we can most likely sell the USDCAD exactly, the USDJPY exactly right here to have a sniper entry. That being said, we can actually sell right there, and in this case, our take profit level can actually be placed right here at the nearest level of a key support at 151.820, expecting around even more. I forgot actually that I am on the 1-hour time frame. Sorry, guys. Totally my bad, sorry. Our take profit level, wait a minute. Yeah, that makes sense. Actually, I forgot that I'm actually on the 1-hour time frame. Yes, that makes sense now. Our take profit level will be actually at 151.266, aiming around exactly, that makes sense, 133 pips of profit. And the safe zone in this case also shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 153.127, which will be, wait a minute, which will be exactly right here, which will be ranging for around 53 pips only. And there goes our signal for the USDJPY. Let's now finally move to the USDCHF. Alright, USDCHF, guys, was another winning signal, really. This week we had all of kind of profits, regardless in our YouTube or VIP Forex signals. It actually have all of them. Okay. Let's stop talking about myself. You know, guys, that has been very profitable signals. Anyway, USDCHF has made around 100 pips of profit again. I'm so happy for everyone who have taken these signals. I know, guys, you are tired of when I'm talking about myself, but I'm just so happy and proud about these signals. It was really good ones. However, what's next now with the USDCHF? Weekly chart. Weekly chart again shows that for the 4th time in a row, USDCHF is actually still unable to make a bullish breakout from 0.919. And that tells us that most likely we're looking for another bearish week for the USDCHF. Again, Same what we have talked about in the EURUSD. We have here the hammer candle, which actually has appeared right on the resistance level, and it's actually a good sign that the market now is getting ready for the bearish reversal. So based on the weekly chart, everything says sell. Let's now move to the daily chart. Again, daily chart also shows right here that the market has finally been able to close below this level of a real support and a resistance at 0.902. Not only that, but even right here, based on the daily chart, we can see of course here the bearish breakout from this level of a long-term support trend line. This support trend line has actually been created back in 13th of December, and since ever then the market actually kept making reversals at this level. Then finally this week the market decided to make a bearish breakout from this area, which means we are looking for a shorting this pair till it reach, of course, the nearest level of a support right here exactly as 0.891, which means we're looking for over 77 pips of profit. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. So again, my friends, 4-hour time frame shows us clearly that we can most likely sell right here exactly at the peak of the resistance and the support, which is of course the nearest one to the bearish breakout candle. Also, it complies with the previous level of a support trend line, which most likely is going to be respected to become here a resistance trend line, and afterward, boom, the pair will continue the fall. That being said, we are looking for over 105 pips of profit and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here exactly at 0.906 for around 44 pips only. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that's going to be everything, my friends, for the weekly analysis, and I really hope it's going to be another profitable week. And again, guys, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram, and also you can experience our VIP Forex signals on Telegram as well. To join this channel, you simply have to contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below of this video, and you can also find their contact details in the free group of Telegram as well. Make sure to join them today, and hopefully it will be another profitable week for everyone in our Extreme Trader Big family. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.